Dear learners, today we will learn about hazard profile of India with examples. Let's discuss why India is called a multi-hazard country. See, India is a multi-hazard country because of its diverse geology, climate and geography. According to the National Disaster Management Authority, 58.6% of the land is earthquake prone, 12% is flood prone, 5,700 kilometers of the coastline is vulnerable to cyclones, and 68% cultivable land is drought prone. The Himalayan condition zone, monsoon variability, long coastline, mountainous terrain, and rapid population growth with unplanned urbanization together expose much of the country to multiple natural hazards, making India one of the world's most disaster-prone nations. Let's discuss about the seismic hazard zone. India is divided into four seismic zones, zone 2 to 5 by the Bureau of Indian Standards based on earthquake risks, with zone 5 being the most hazardous and zone 2 the least. High-risk areas include the Himalayan region, Northeast India, Bihar, Delhi NCR, and the Rann of Kutch due to the active tectonic processes. Major earthquakes such as the 2001 Bhuj, 2005 Kashmir, 2011 Sikkim, 2015 Nepal Bihar, and 1967 Koina events demonstrate that earthquake can occur across both Himalayan and peninsular regions, highlighting the need for earthquake resistance, construction, and preparedness. Let's discuss the flood-prone regions of India. About 12% of India's land area is flood-prone, mainly in the Ganga-Brahmaputra-Meghna basin, including Assam, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal, where intense monsoon rainfall and overflowing rivers cause frequent floods. Urban centers such as Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata also experience severe flooding due to poor drainage and rapid urbanization. Major events like the 2008 Kosi floods, 2018 Kerala floods, 2015 Chennai floods, and recurring Assam floods highlight the increasing impact of both riverine and urban flooding in India. Next is drought-prone regions. About 68% of India's cultivable area is vulnerable to drought, especially regions with low and erratic rainfall such as Rajasthan, Marathwada, and Vidarbha in Maharashtra, Rayalaseema and Telangana, North Karnataka, Kutch and Saurashtra in Gujarat, and Bundelkhand. Recurrent droughts have caused severe water scarcity, agricultural losses, groundwater depletion, and rural distress, as seen during the Maharashtra droughts 2012 to 13 and 2015 to 16, and the recurring Bundelkhand droughts and the widespread 1987 and 2002 All India droughts. Coming to the next, cyclone-prone coastal regions. India's east coast is more vulnerable to cyclone than the west coast because the Bay of Bengal generates more cyclone than the Arabian Sea. The most affected states are Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal, while Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala, and Karnataka on the west coast are experiencing increasing cyclone activity. Major events such as the 1999 Odisha supercyclone, Cyclone Fani 2019, Amphan 2022, Nisarga 2020, and Tauke 2021 highlight both the growing cyclone risks and the importance of effective early warning system and disaster preparedness. Next is landslide prone regions. See, landslides in India mainly occur in the Himalayan region, the Western Ghats, and the parts of the northeast due to fragile geology, steep slopes, and intense monsoon rainfall. High-risk areas include Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala and Karnataka, Maharashtra, the Nilgiris, and all the northeastern states. Disasters such as the 2013 Kedarnath tragedy, 2014 Malin landslide, 2023 Joshimath land subsidence, and 2024 Wayanad landslide demonstrates how natural factors combined with unplanned development can greatly increase landslide risk. Is tsunami hazard. Although tsunamis are relatively rare in India, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and parts of East Coast are vulnerable to tsunamis generated by undersea earthquakes in the Sumatra-Andaman subduction zone. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, triggered by a magnitude 9.1 earthquake off Sumatra, caused widespread destruction along the coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Puducherry, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, resulting in over 10,000 deaths in India and leading to the establishment of Indian Tsunami Early Warning Center. Next is avalanche hazard. Avalanches are mainly confined to the high altitude Himalayan regions of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand, posing significant risks to the local communities and military personnel as seen in the 2016 Siachen avalanches. Next is heat waves and cold waves. Heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense across Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Odisha, while cold waves and dense fog commonly affect the Indo-Gangetic Plain during winter, disrupting transportation and also endangering public health. Coming to another hazard, that is forest fire. Forest fires are common in India's forested hill regions during the dry summer months, particularly in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, the Western Ghats, that is Kerala and Karnataka, and the central Indian forest of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Orissa. Events such as the 2016 Uttarakhand forest fire illustrates how prolonged dry condition, rising temperatures, and highly flammable vegetation can lead to widespread ecological damage and threaten nearby communities. Dear learners, see the summary table. Here we can say several regions of India face multiple overlapping hazards, making them multi-hazard zones. For example, Jammu and Kashmir and Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh are prone to earthquake, landslide, and flash floods. Assam and the northeast experiences floods, earthquake, and landslide. Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and West Bengal face cyclones, floods, and storm surges, while Gujarat and Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Kerala, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are exposed to combinations of earthquakes, droughts, cyclones, floods, landslide, and tsunamis. These overlapping risks require integrated region-specific disaster management and also preparedness strategies. Let's discuss the institutional response. India's disaster management system is guided by the Disaster Management Act 2005, which established the National Disaster Management Authority along with state and district disaster management authorities. Key institutions such as the National Disaster Response Force, India Meteorological Division Department, and Indian Tsunami Early Warning Center provide emergency response and early warning services, while states like Odisha have become national model for effective cyclone preparedness, evacuation, and disaster risk reduction. Thank you, dear learners, for your patience hearing.